Distractions.
Oh God. Sorry guys, you guys fell.
Hi, you guys. This is the second episode of my season 1, and as you can see, we've changed the setting a little bit. Please stop doing that.
Okay.
First of all, I hope everyone's doing awesome. This is Janvi Bhalla. She's my younger sister.
Hello.
And she's also somebody who's like pushing me to do more of this.
Yes. So safety first, always safety.
Yes.
Safety, everything safe.
As
Yes.
you can see, we are in the car. For like this, honestly, finding me doing a vlog in my car is not going to be surprising for people who know me really well, because I love getting out on drives and meeting people and talking to people, and so many times I'll just drag this little one with me here and there. So this is like
A drive with me session.
yeah, or drive with me rather.
Sorry.
Okay, awesome. I'm just going to pass it on to Janvi, so by the time I reverse the car, she can basically run you all through what we are planning to discuss today.
So today we thought that we would talk about WandaVision, because as you can see, I don't know if you can see,
Represent!
we are huge Marvel nerds and we have to represent 24/7. That's just something I say all the time. So we are going to discuss about WandaVision while driving around here and there,
I swear to God.
because it's coming out on the 15th of January, which is so close, and it's
Yeah, it's
coming
so
out
far.
after so many years.
Suddenly there'll be a change. Sorry. Just trying to drive responsibly while we're also recording the video.
After so long, there's going to be some Marvel content. And the trailer, if you haven't seen, you should go watch the trailer.
We'll put the
I
link
don't know what you're doing if
in
you're not watching the trailer.
Exactly.
Like,
I mean,
what's
obviously,
wrong
if
with
you're
you?
somebody who loves DC, then no hate
Still,
on you.
it's okay. You should watch it. You should consume all sort of content.
Yeah, that is
But
true.
yeah, oh my god.
We are super stoked. So, I am pretty proud to call ourselves absolute comic book nerds. I don't know why anybody would take offense to that term in any particular light.
Yeah.
And I'm just
Sorry.
sorry. I'm basically trying to multitask, but I want to vlog responsibly because I don't want to promote distractions.
Oh my god. Sorry guys, you guys fell. I hope everybody's faces are okay. I'm just gonna keep my hand here.
Yeah.
It's
So
fine.
as you can see.
Yeah, this is my hand. It's just going to be there.
Coming back to the discussion, I think I can say this for the both of us. We are very proudly absolute Marvel comic nerds, and like I'm not talking about your I've watched all the movies and all of that. Like both of us, when we have something that's our absolute favorite or something that we've been looking forward to, or anything Marvel in general, apart from other things as well, we'll like go fully into research mode and we'll like go crazy about it. And 2020 was difficult because it was heartbreaking that so many of the things we were so stoked about, especially after being after dealing with
Heartbroken
Endgame
after Endgame.
and being left at a cliffhanger after Spider-Man
Far from
Far
home.
From Home. The amount of marathon reruns we've done of the entire
During lockdown. We picked out our favorite movies and watched
Rewatched
it.
it.
Yeah, rewatched it again.
while watching several videos and keeping up with everything that's going on.
Yeah.
A personal shout out to New Rock Stars. We love you
that
guys
channel.
so much.
Love them.
Even Everything Always. Oh my god.
Yeah, even they are really cool. And Cosmic Wonder.
Cosmic Wonder. Yeah. These
Those three channels we keep on going back to stay updated on everything, because they do such
They
a
know
good
their
job
shit.
at explaining.
Like, we love you guys. Hopefully someday we'll get to chat with you, meet you. That's the dream. So now finally it's like, I mean, I know Christmas and New Year came for everyone in December, but for us it's like Christmas is coming on 15 January.
Yes.
Because we are hyped.
It sort of came on Investor Day for Disney Plus.
Oh my, yeah,
Where
actually.
they dropped all the trailers and we got a teaser for Loki as well, but that's for another conversation.
I swear we can do another video on that.
That's different.
That deserves a different conversation.
Also, before this, I didn't realize how many speed bumps are there just to go to a simple road.
Yeah, I mean, imagine
What the
we are basically driving to a location which is like
very.
5.5 minutes away from our house, and we are just
Oh my god, this
realizing
one is very high one.
the amount of speed breakers that are there on this road. But anyway, so what are the 5 things that you are most excited about for WandaVision?
Oh, 5 things. That's like very nice.
I know,
but
that's
okay.
like really narrowing it down.
No, firstly, just any sort of Marvel content. I
That
want to
makes
see.
sense.
I want to keep that Disney Plus thing on my TV or like computer, just to see that full slate of how they have their Marvel section. Looks so pretty.
I swear to God,
Then-
they look so well
that-
organized and
Like, oh, I'm so excited to watch the new characters, because even though we've been watching the same characters and these are also the same ones, but then someone new is always fun. I love the fact that the set, like the vintage vibe that they have kept for everything, like through the years, how they've shown Wanda growing and changing everything around
even
her.
her powers are
Yeah,
like
and yeah,
they
the
are
growth.
growing.
Her growth is
It's
like
crazy.
amazing.
It's crazy.
Like,
Definitely.
And then what this holds for the future and how they're going to tie in X-Men with this.
I think
it's
somewhere even
amazing.
somehow, like, I don't know, I was reading a few articles about how maybe they might even somehow connect this to the Fantastic Four
Yeah,
as well.
yeah.
And
Yeah.
Doctor Strange, the next one that's
Exactly,
coming.
multiverse of madness.
So this is, I think basically this is going to be, it's diving into the next phase for
Yeah.
Marvel. And I have gooseflesh talking about it because, I mean, first of all, it's delayed by 1 damn year.
Yeah, like
So
one
it's like,
year.
I can only wait this much. That is why we thought we need to do this vlog so that you all can just get the basic hype that we are feeling.
And you know, if some of you all are like us, you all can always comment below or like
Exactly.
DM Meghna if you don't follow her. You all should on Instagram. Definitely.
Follow
Yeah,
her
no
also.
shameless plug. But seriously, we love to have conversations about Marvel and theories. Like I remember when we were going for Endgame,
Oh my
we were
God.
so curious about everything that we were doing
We had a
research.
list of possible
That
outcomes.
is before we read and saw the movie, and so many of them were actually true of
I swear.
what we thought. Oh my god,
That was crazy. But
it was so
yeah.
much fun. Remember when we had gone early in the morning
Oh
for
God.
that first show? We went all the way.
And I think it was
very
an
far
8:30 a.m. show.
Oh,
And
the
we-
crowd was so
it was
good.
hype. Oh my
Everybody
God.
was cheering. It
I
was so
miss that
good.
vibe. I just really hope, like,
Damn
honestly,
good.
I'm really looking forward also to Black Widow launching. I think the only time we will muster up the courage to actually step into a movie theater is for that film specifically.
I won't be surprised if I wear a hazmat suit just to watch that movie. Like, I
Marvel
won't be
hazmat suit you
surprised.
can
Yeah,
wear.
seriously. I'll make one. I'll get a
Or you can
plain
wear
one
like a
and
Spider-Man
paint
mask
it.
or something. Or
Yeah,
an Iron
that.
Man mask maybe.
Yeah, like,
Oh, so much love for Iron Man. Anyway, that's another
like that
conversation.
movie also got delayed. That was such a heartbreak. Such nice trailers. And then we have that actor who plays Jim Hopper in Stranger Things. That guy, I can't remember his name
Oh
sadly.
damn.
If we remember it, we will put it on the screen somewhere. You will see where it is. But yeah, so good. David Harbour. Ah,
David
yes.
Harbour.
Sorry.
But coming back to WandaVision, yeah, I'm personally really excited because even from a filmmaking perspective and from an editing perspective, I just love the entire treatment of the show. I absolutely love how they've gone about filming all the sequences, and even though I've just seen glimpses through trailers, but you know, it's fabulous to see how interestingly they are showing the time jump. Obviously I'm not going to give any spoilers because I don't know that much yet either, because you can never really know until you've seen it or you're the person editing the main damn show.
Any Marvel content that you watch, you're always surprised because they do such a good job
Yeah,
at
you just
hiding
never see it coming.
everything, which is great. And
It's
that's why I
like-
think it impacts us more because they've hidden it so
it
well.
hypes us up that much more.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I mean, I just wanted to get this vlog out to share because, like, you know, if you watch the previous one, I said that it's going to be extremely raw.
Yeah,
and
as you
more,
can see very raw that I'm holding the camera.
and more about
Oh,
me,
no.
and like just as real as possible, and getting hyped about Marvel is very much who we are.
Yeah, this poor camera. Sorry guys if this video is a little shaky. We will get better quality.
Quality will be fine.
Like,
I think just more stability.
Yeah, more
perhaps.
stability. Yeah, that is what I meant. And
Yeah.
not me like coming towards you all like this for a hug.
Even though you can take a virtual hug and a lot
Yeah,
of love
yeah,
from us.
yes.
It's a big thing coming from her. You should know
Yeah.
that. But yeah, I think we can cap it at that. because otherwise we can keep going on and on about this. I hope you enjoy seeing us spaz in our car and talk about all this, and also seeing us through our journey of speed breakers.
Seriously, there are so many.
Also, the intention of this was to introduce you all to a new location, and also to introduce you to my favorite person on the planet,
Hello.
which is the one who's giving you a hug.
Yes.
So yeah, I hope you all enjoy this, and there'll be another vlog out soon. That's going to be something completely different again. Thank you.
See you on the next one. Bye.
Bye bye.